Are you in need of new tires? Make a service appointment at Berger Chevrolet. Our experts are here for you from purchase to installation. Keep in mind that different vehicles will have varying installation processes. Today, we are installing new tires on a Chevy Cobalt. First, our service technician will dismount the old tires from the vehicle. The old weights will be removed from the tire. All old lead wheel weights and tires at Berger Chevrolet get recycled and repurposed for other uses. Let's get your new tires back on the existing rims. Now it's time to balance the tires. Our tech will lock the tire in place, check the tire, and begin the balancing process. Once the tire is balanced, our tech will then mount the tire back onto the car. The tire is checked for torque to ensure that it meets manufacturer specifications. The last part of the tire installation process is retraining your vehicle to recognize the new tires that have been added. We will also perform a multi-point vehicle inspection so that you are safe out on the road in your vehicle. When it's time for new tires, schedule your service appointment online at bergerchevy.com or give us a call today.